On the Jabber Boss, press 2 seconds, blue light appeared po. Same dito sa isa, blue light appeared when 2 seconds. Yan. Then, pair natin through your phone. Power button and the minus button. Blue and red light appeared po. Pair natin doon sa phone natin. Hanapin natin yung pairing mode. Yes, Jabber Boss. Yan, pair natin. Jabber Boss pair on your phone. Yes. Select your music on your phone. You can use your volume up. Yes. Music hearing, just press twice on your mesh button. 1, 2. Blue and red light appeared, and then the another boss, just press another twice lang po. Blue and red light appeared. Waiting for the blue light. After blue light appeared, you hear the music on your other boss. Music sharing na po tayo. Then, while talking po tayo, just press the mesh button. Once lang po ha, just quick press the mesh button. Blue and red light appeared po tayo. Same dito sa ating Jabber Boss. Blue and red light appeared po. So, pwede na tayo magkausap dito. Kunin ko lang isang Jabber Boss, lalayo lang ako. Music sharing while talking po tayo. This is the process on how the Jabber Boss music shared while talking. Then, after that, pwede din po natin tanggalin yung ating mesh. Just press quick lang po tayo. And kapag papatay natin ang Jabber Boss, mesh and the power button. Red light appeared po tayo.